Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for joining us for another L7 Solutions Friday briefing. Today, we are going to be discussing AI in interior design, transforming spaces and workflows. Um, the reason we are doing this presentation today is because we have been reaching out to a lot of interior design companies and hearing their interest in AI. And so we decided we'd put this briefing out just for you. This is what we do. We try and cater to our clients and provide material that is good information for you. And so today it is AI in interior design. So exploring how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the interior design industry, from concept creation to implementation while addressing both opportunities and challenges. By the way, my name is Ken Tucker. I'm the sales manager for L7 Solutions, and I will be leading this presentation today. So let's hop right into it with that first slide. How AI is transforming interior design. So how is it transforming interior design? It's doing it through space planning. So AI tools are analyzing room dimensions for us, suggesting optimal layouts, maximizing space efficiency and functionality. It's helping in the design assistance. So AI-driven software generates design concepts based on user preferences, helping designers create tailored solutions quickly. That's the big thing. It's helping you do things faster, more efficient. Virtual and augmented reality. AI enhances virtual reality and AR experiences, allowing clients to visualize designs in real time and make informed decisions. So it's allowing you to visualize those room designs quicker and get an idea as to what direction you'd like to take that design in, and your customer, your client would like to take that design in. So AI powered design features, material and color recommendations. AI algorithms recommend materials and color schemes based on current trends and user preferences, streamlining the design process. Smart home integration. AI is used to design smart homes integrating IoT, which is Internet of Things, devices for enhanced functionality and energy efficiency. So, Internet of Things, what kind of things are those? Those are things like your Samsung and LG uh, smart refrigerators, where the screen pops up and you can look inside the refrigerator from outside without opening the door to see what's in it and see what's needed. Um, Customer interaction is another way that AI powered designs are being featured through chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI. These provide instant responses to client inquiries, improving customer service in the design process. So, what happens is that databases are created that your chatbots can reference, and let's just say it's an FAQ type of situation that is created, that the designer creates, or that you as a designer creates, and people or prospective clients or customers can go out to your website, speak with the chatbot, and according to answers that you've given for those commonly asked questions or frequently asked questions, the chatbot will respond with those. Leading AI software and interior design. So, software like Autodesk Revit incorporates AI features for building information modeling, aiding in design efficiency and collaboration. You've got tools like SketchUp, which implements AI plugins to offer various plugins that they offer various plugins that utilize AI for enhanced design capabilities, including layout suggestions and 3D modeling assistance. And then you've got the popular House, but within House Pro, an interior design platform. It's an interior design platform that uses AI to match homeowners with designers. So it's going with the homeowner's desire for what they want, and then setting them up with the designer that is commonly known to create that type of vision and provide design recommendations based on the user's preferences. Now, from a consumer side, there are also tools that can be used. Tools like Mozi, an online interior design service that uses AI to create 3D renderings of rooms based on customer inputs and preferences. So not everyone can afford a high-end designer. And what do they do? What if you have a nice apartment that you just want to decorate nicely? Tools like Mozi help to do that. Tools like Room Sketcher, which is a design tool that uses AI to help users visualize their space and create floor plans quickly and easily. And then from a marketing aspect, you've got things like design.ai, which offers AI-driven tools for generating design concepts, logos, and marketing materials tailored to user specifications. Now, the evolution of the designer workflow. This is important because this is how things have been done and how things are going to be done. Starts with traditional process, which is just manual measurements, hand sketches, physical materials, samples, requiring multiple client meetings, also requiring a lot of time. But how did that transition? That moved into digital transition. So you still have all those multiple meetings, but now things are being done a little bit more. And this is where actually stage two, digital transition, is where a lot of interior designers are still in. That they're still in this spot. They have all of the meetings from the traditional process, but then they use computer-aided design tools and digital catalogs through things like House Pro, improving efficiency, but still requiring significant designer input and significant time. How do we how do we how do we battle that? We do that with AI enhanced workflows. So, an automated space planning, instant visualization, and AI generated recommendations dramatically reducing design time. Okay, so now it brings in the tools like Autodesk Revit and SketchUp and House Pro to actually shorten that period of time with the initial design. Now, it's not taking away from the designer's creativity, which we'll discuss a little bit later, because that is a concern. It just makes those initial monotonous tasks easier and makes them more efficient, and you move through that process much faster. That's a plus for not only the designer, but also the customer. So benefits of AI in interior design is time efficiency. AI automates time-consuming tasks like measurements and initial concept development, allowing designers to focus on the creative aspects of what they do. So it allows you to focus on the part that you enjoy, the reason you got into the business. Enhanced creativity. AI generates unexpected design combinations, things you might not have thought of, and solutions that might not have been considered, expanding creative possibilities. So it creates those ideas, and the great part about it is if with different programs, there are different levels of prompting, and prompting is the king when it comes to AI. So this is something that we have to learn. We have to learn to speak the language of the tool we are using. So we have to remember that when it comes to AI, learn to speak the language. Very, very important. Learn to speak the language, because you, as a designer or as an employee of a design firm, you If you learn to speak the language, you can create unique designs each time you touch that keyboard, each time you speak to that AI agent, each time you open that program that utilizes AI. Now, something else, another benefit that comes from AI is our cost reductions. Streamline processes and fewer revisions lead to cost savings for both the designers and your clients. So both are saving time and money because they're not having to constantly drive back and forth for meeting after meeting after meeting. You use AI to help accomplish that. Now, with all the good, there has to be a little bit of bad, uh, and those are risks. That comes with any AI platform. There are always potential risks for AI. So, what are those risks when it comes to interior design? Intellectual property concerns, possibly. AI generated designs may inadvertently replicate copyrighted work. Hmm, maybe not copyrighted work when it comes to designing a room. Uh, but maybe if we're talking about a logo type of situation, then intellectual property is a concern. Data security issues. Client information and proprietary designs could be compromised if AI platforms lack proper security measures. That's the reason that you get with companies like L7 Solutions, because we help you manage those security concerns. We are a cybersecurity um, company first, and then we are managed cloud services and now AI consulting. So we handle those top three areas that most businesses are concerned with. And so it's important that when it comes to data security, I mean, data security really should be top of focus for any business. And if you can have a solid cybersecurity foundation, all of this other stuff, the AI, the cloud services on top of that, it becomes easy. It becomes easy. You still need a professional to handle it, but it becomes an easier process for you as a customer and for the managing IT company as well. So, devaluation of expertise. This is a potential risk in using AI, but this is where you have to communicate with your customers that you're not just using AI to do their project. You're using AI to help them visualize their project. So over-reliance on AI tools may undermine the perceived value of professional design expertise. The designer still has to stay active in the process. But for those initial steps, those steps that almost anyone in the company can do, AI can be used for that to help speed that along. But it's up to the designer and the customer to communicate and keep that vision, uh, keep it in the creative mind of the designer because that's why they come to you. They come to you for your creative mind, but that doesn't mean that you can't use AI to start that creativity flowing. Now, the business vulnerabilities, client relationship erosion. So, excessive automation may reduce meaningful client interactions, weakening relationships that drive referrals and repeat business. That could possibly happen. Again, that's where building that relationship with that customer uh, has to be done with that designer and that customer. Again, it doesn't mean you can't use AI to help with portions of the design, but again, they come to you for your creativity. Now, homogenization of design. AI trained on similar data sets may produce increasingly uniform designs, reducing distinctiveness and brand differentiation. That goes back to the prompting that I mentioned. We must learn to speak the language of the AI tool that we're using. Plain and simple. Learn to speak the language. Once you learn to speak the language, you can produce unique items each time you open up that application. Now, the technical dependencies. Businesses may become vulnerable to service disruptions, price increases, or policy changes from AI platform providers. And this is where you have to be very, very deliberate on the tools that you use and why getting with a managed service provider like an L7 Solutions who becomes your partner, your technical partner. We do that research and we help you do that research to determine what product would be best for your business. And by doing that, we look ahead and we help you look ahead to determine, is this a fly-by-night type of AI company doing design? How long have they been around? Does it have a proven track record like a house pro might have? So we help you do that research and and try to help you use the right tools and the tools that will grow with your business. Now, securing your design practice, data protection measures, implement an end-to-end encryption for all client data. We do that through Office 365. Use secure, password protected cloud storage. Again, Office 365 provides that cloud storage location for us that provides governance and compliance. So staying secure, again, as I've mentioned before, with L7 Solutions, we are about cybersecurity. It's all about cybersecurity for us because for your business to go to that next step, it must be secure. And that is the foundation that we build upon. Again, AI, the cloud services, all those different things, they come after the security. Build that solid security foundation and then add AI, add cloud services, add all of those different things on top of that, and you will remain safe and you will grow your business and you will succeed. Regularly audit access to sensitive design files. Check them out, make sure that everything's clean and working. Create data backup protocols independent of AI platforms. So that's just having multiple locations as opposed to just saving data on the AI platform itself. Intellectual property safeguards. Document original design processes thoroughly. Review AI platform terms of service regarding ownership. Consider watermarking preliminary designs. That's just branding each of those designs, and it helps to promote your business even more. Establish clear copyright agreements with clients. And so when it comes to the data protection measures, that's where a company like L7 Solutions, we handle that area for you. We are your technical advisors. So when it comes to the technical aspect of your business, let us do what we do best and help guide you in the right direction. The intellectual property and safeguards, those are some of those items are items we can also help with, but those are things that you have to discuss, especially things like clear copyright agreements with clients, um, because your designs are truly your creations. And so you want to be protected in that manner as well. So best practices for AI integration, having a balanced approach. Use AI as a complementary tool rather than a replacement for human creativity and judgment. So instead of using AI like a sledgehammer, use it like a chisel. So chip, chip, chip away at that stone versus, just breaking it apart in one big blow. Eh, Because when you use it in a manner that is aggressive and that large, people will know that it's AI. They will know that it's AI. So you have to make sure that you provide your own creativity in that product. So the ethical guidelines develop clear policies for AI usage, including transparency with clients about which aspects utilize AI. So don't hide anything with it. From a sales standpoint, we use AI quite a bit. We develop presentations like this with AI and modify them uh, before doing presenting. But what it does is you create you use AI to create that foundation, and then you chisel away at it from there to make it your own. So then there's continuous learning. Stay updated on AI developments and regularly evaluate which tools genuinely enhance your design practice. So knowing the software that's out there and knowing what you are trying to accomplish with your practice, your design practice, your design firm, that helps you work with your MSP like L7 Solutions to find the right products that 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 complement your your design technique. So it's important to 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 understand and be open to AI and learning what's out there. So, what's the future of AI in the interior design business? The key takeaways is AI is transforming interior design through automation and enhanced visualization. There are numerous pieces of software solutions offer AI capabilities for different aspects of design. While offering significant benefits, AI presents risks to security and business differentiation. A thoughtful, balanced approach to AI integration maximizes benefits while minimizing vulnerabilities. So, this last part here is super important. The most successful designers in this age, I know many of you are successful from years of being in the business, but now there's a new era coming, and the most successful designers will be those who harness the use of AI as a potential powerful tool while maintaining their unique creative vision in client relationships. And we at L7 Solutions, we want to help you do that. We want to help you harness that AI through the use of Office 365 tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is Microsoft's AI tool. You can encompass so much within that environment. And then we bring in and help you choose the right tools outside of Office 365 to use while still staying secure. Because the security, remember, should be top of list when it comes to all the programs or all the applications used, whether it's within your networking environment or outside of your networking environment. So if you'd like to talk about partnering with L7 Solutions, having us be your technical partner, visit our website. Find out a little bit more about us at www.l7solutions.com. And you can contact us by phone at 954-573-1300. And like I said, we'd love to discuss being a technical partner with you when it comes to networking, cybersecurity solutions. That's what we do. My name's Ken Tucker. I'm the sales manager here for L7 Solutions. My email address is ktucker@l7solutions.com. We'd love to hear from you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we will see you next Friday with a new briefing a little bit more on the security aspect of things for the upcoming briefing, but we look forward to seeing you next Friday. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.